Hello everybody, we have another installation on a Mercedes Motorhome. This one's Class A, and although our Class A motorhomes usually go easy with a side body mount, this one there was no access, so we had to use a side mount, not a molded mount, because you need to get behind the molded mount. You'll see inside here there is no access behind it. We had enough to get the hole through for the Coax. We kept it tight up against there so it would be behind that trim piece, and we run it down there into the radio. Let me show you what it looked like before all this got done. Here's inside the motorhome where the battery compartment is, right below his feet when he's driving. Scary. Power goes from there, comes up the pillar there, down behind to the radio. And we'll cover all that up. And the coax will go up that pillar and out the hole. See that steel structure? That's where the screw from the bracket gets its ground plane. And that piece will cover it up. Alright, battery, wires, radio, coax, done deal. Let's get it done. So there it is again. Trimmed up. Used an RD104 mic. Sounded really good on there. And that's it. There you have it. And that antenna, doesn't matter what you drive under, it'll flex right over and pop back up. Won't hurt it. Hurt your roof more than your antenna. You're good to go.